Mediation can be a really great opportunity for you and your partner if you have a cordial connection and you are able to have still decent conversations without letting emotions run the dialogue for you. Mediation can help you determine the terms of your final judgment as opposed to having a judge make the decision for you and keep orders in place. Having an attorney present in your mediation can be helpful when the stakes are very high. Typically, if there is a business involved and you have a high asset portfolio, you want to have an attorney be part of the conversation to making sure that you're not giving up too many of your rights or that you're not responsible for more than what you should be. However, with regard to child custody, oftentimes people do really well with mediation on their own, especially because you and most often the other parent just simply care about your child and you want to keep a good relationship moving forward and co-parenting your minor. If you have financial issues that you need to resolve through mediation, it's very helpful to be prepared before you go into the conversation. You should know exactly what your assets are, what the debts are, what your income and expenses are, and also what your potential obligations might be by pursuant to state law. So that way you know how much you should and you should not deviate from potential orders in court. On the day of your mediation appointment, make sure that you take deep breaths, have a calm mind. Don't go into mediation with your emotions running high because that will only interrupt the potential flow of a good conversation and a potential outcome. When you go into your mediation appointment, make sure that you know exactly what you're looking for, but also have some wiggle room. So know where you are open to having a compromise on your terms and also know where your benchmark is and you're not trying to deviate too much from what your minimum expectations are. You should go in with an open mind, but do not feel forced of making an agreement. If you think mediation is a good chance for you to resolve the issues in your case, call Real Father's Rights. We deal with this all the time.